welcome back. I'm Tedward, and welcome to a classic Prelude. We're coming here to drive the all-new Prelude, but luckily Honda brought out some classics. This is the second generation. We actually have every generation of Prelude here, but the second generation is what we're going to start with. This brought out the wedge shape, the pop-up headlights. It's got an 1800cc or 1.8 liter four-cylinder with pop-up headlights. I want to show you under the hood real quick. Oh, Preludes are just the coolest Hondas, and look at that. There you have it. This is beautiful. This is the stuff I love because I have gotten access to all of the craziest classic supercars, Porsches, Ferraris, Jaguars, but something that I very rarely, hey, it's the straight pipes. What's going on, boys? I'm very excited about this. What's really cool though is that we never get access to kind of econo cars, and that's because they were all driven. They were all driven into the ground, and this is a real surprise to be able to drive today. And I thought I would take you out around Oceanside, California with me. It's got these beautiful seats. Everything in these cars seemingly was a source of pride and joy. They wanted to have something that felt special, and I do miss these days. Everyone was really competing for your dollars. It's cool though because it's got like a power sunroof, but roll down windows. This is just wild. This is the stuff we love. And this really kind of hits the mark of all the things that I like the most. Let's see. Does this move? Maybe not. Okay. Well, anyway, we've got a 5-speed manual gearbox. Let's get this thing started up. Give a couple pumps. Yes. Oh, I couldn't be happier right now. All right, I've even got a little drive route. So let's see what that looks like. Try to stick to that. I don't really care though, because I'm just here to enjoy classic Honda. Hang on, we got to do pop-up headlights. Yes. See, that's the thing, is that was there to reduce drag, but unfortunately at night when you're running the headlights, well, then you increase drag. These were made from 83 to 87, so these are pre-Tedward days. So easy to drive. Heavy steering, but not in a bad way. See. It still thinks that the brake is this parking brake. Let's see. So ignore that light. Don't worry about that. These are classic car quirks. We have this parking brake down, so don't you dare worry about that. There's a Top Gun house. Dude, I can't believe I'm driving this right now. This is a joy. California car culture is just so nuts. You never know what you're gonna see out in these places either. Let's see if I can prop that up a little bit. Is that gonna work? Yeah. Days before Apple CarPlay. Jump the train tracks. Now we're gonna be nice. These brakes are, dude, it's amazing when you drive a heritage car from Honda. They take such good care of them. Days before VTEC. Such a good shifter. I can't believe this. It feels so solid. I think we're going this way. Sure. little bit. Some of these controls are a little heavy, but nothing bad. And like, sure, we want to make sure these plastic bits are there. And oh my God, I need to buy myself a classic Honda. This is good. So sure, we need to align this steering wheel a little bit. I know you're going to comment about it. It's the only reason I would say it. I do not care. I would drive this like this forever. This is just so good. Reminds me what I like about cars when I drive stuff like this. There's the first gen Prelude, baby! And this, dude, what is this? We have quite the sandwich of cars here right now. Can you believe this right now? Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Hey, nice Prelude. Nice Prelude. Hey, that's a pretty nice Prelude.
I like that Prelude. That's pretty cool.
That's not a Prelude, but like it should be a Prelude.
You'd like it better if they were a Prelude.
This is the best traffic jam I've ever been in. This thing rips.
Yeah?
Yes.
Nice.
Oh my God, what a great little car. My phone is so wonky. It's like it's telling me like all these other weird places to go and whatever. And that's the Prelude that I wanted in high school and in college. I couldn't find one. I ended up buying a Celica GTS. But that had the Type SH. These seats are really comfortable. They're very supportive, but they're also pretty narrow, so they're not designed for today's Americans, we'll put it that way. Oh, this is, I'm just really speechless. I can't believe I'm in a Prelude gang right now. That guy does not have a light of any kind. This is legitimately the easiest car in the world. We'll respect the RSX. So we passed the Toyota competition. Okay, so here's the sunroof. Let's test that out. Fantastic. Look at this. I'm flabbergasted, boys. World before VTEC. Even the rattles are charming. I just don't care. It's got a lot of torque down low too. Like, it's definitely like a high-strung Honda engine in that regard, but it's really easy to just kind of dig yourself out of the low revs. More so than I would have expected. And we just found the final boss. There's the third gen Prelude ahead of that. And oh my God, all of them were all together. Beautiful day here in Oceanside. We've got a diesel bro up behind us. Smell the ocean. Well, this is easily one of the coolest things I've done in a Honda. And I've done a lot of stuff in Hondas. This is only the second Prelude I've ever driven. I drove a 4th generation That was a real rat box, but I still loved it. And seeing where these cars come from is everything. I think it's really important to understand what was going on heritage-wise and why people love them, why they sold like hundreds of thousands of cars like this. I just can't stop interacting with this awesome transmission. It is really good. I just can't believe how solid everything is. It really is just the easiest thing to drive. Perfect day. And we're back. That's it. Back to the hotel, back to the Top Gun house. Quick little jaunt in the second gen Prelude. Let's go find another one. This is the coolest thing in the world. And there's the newest Prelude coming up. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Hopefully I get to spend more time in something like this pretty soon. I'm really thrilled that I got to touch this. I got to drive it. I got to just go interact and rev it out, and like everything is just so perfect and authentic. This is amazing. I am quite happy right now. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one. No power steering, so we've got to use what we've got. Let's see. All right, there it is. We'll cut it. We'll leave it in first so she don't go nowhere. And yeah.